Morning, guys. Today we're gonna head over to my manager's house later in the afternoon to go spend Independence Day with them. We've been doing it already for the last 3 to 4 years. It's becoming tradition, and we always look forward to it every year. What I am very excited to tell you guys about is that I finally got a phone call from my manager and from my promoter saying that my fight is set for September 9th. I've been in training already for the last 2 months. My first vlog, I was saying that they gave me a couple days, either August 26th or on the Triple G card, and they finally said that my fight is set on September 9th, which is going to be here in Los Angeles. I'm stoked about that because I don't like traveling halfway across the world a week or 2 weeks in advance to get acclimated to the weather. I get to stay here and finish up training camp here and be comfortable and get ready for the fight, which is, I think, is better. And I get to stay here, have my friends and family come out and watch the fight live. But before that, I'm gonna head over to the gym, get some training on before we head out to my manager's house in Westlake. Let's go. See this right here, this bug. Riding my ass the whole time. Trailers already can't even get into this place. Look at this, they closed it off. What filming is going on here? That's the asshole though.
Indonesian drivers.
What's going on?
Hey, how you doing, people?
This is Jesse.
J1, baby.
Sticking my finger too. King Kong's little brother.
I'm white too. I'm a white boy.
I don't know what I'm saying.
African white boy. You don't know what I'm saying.
I don't know.
I say.
Translation is he's a white boy.
I'm a white boy.
Yeah.
Ah! Thunder.
All right, guys, I'm out.
Look, I show him the sport one. Oh, look. No. I don't need the picture. I don't like him. I don't like him. Big champion, man. Look. You know him?
Can you take pictures of that?
Yeah. This George Foreman. You know him? I show you one more. Muhammad Ali. Wait for Muhammad. Mike Tyson. Look, Muhammad Ali talk to me. Yeah. He's very nice. Look.
You were very young back then.
Man, I'm still young.
Show me you on Jimmy Kimmel.
I don't have net.
No internet. Go on Jimmy. You watch.
Go, YouTube.
Yeah, so here he is now. This is Yahya talking about Beauty and the Beast.
Okay, action. Hi, it's me. I'm talking about the new movie. Behind me, Disney movie. Better and that best. You know that movie? You talk about the girl, Amy Weston. The girl, she's in the movie, you know, Harry Potter. With the other guy, the young boy with the glasses. And after that, one movie, Toys Come Alive. You know, and the other one is called She Lose the Shoes. Another one is called Snow White. With the old small guy. Other people with some short people, you know, it's very nice, you know. And also, he make the movie Two Dog eat spaghetti. I don't know how he eat it, you know, not with the fork, eat it. Go see the movie. The guy look like the cow in the movie. Hi, I'm with the Ryan, the champion Hawaii boxer.
Yeah.
He's a very nice guy. I meet him in the training now, and I say hi to all Hawaii people. And you Filipino?
Yes, Filipino.
Oh, como estás? Mabuti salamat. I love you, guy, and this champion guy. Have good heart. God bless you, all of you.
Good guy.
Thank you. Thank you, brother. God.
Yeah. His name, he goes on Jimmy Kimmel once in a while, but I'm out, guys. Training's done, and then hang out to my my manager's house. See you guys later.